Yeah, so that was quite interesting.
Yeah, very unique home.
Hi guys, what can I get for you today? Have a great day, guys.
Thank you.
You too. And the current owner said, whoever buys this place next will absolutely love it.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. You've got everything literally at your doorstep.
Yeah, we're a little walk away from Bentley Priory and Stanmore Common. Wembley Stadium is 15 minutes on the tube. The West End and all of central London are very well connected.
Great bus connections and a buzzing community life.
And a great spot for coffee, literally 20 seconds away.